Hello everyone, in this session we are going to learn about coordinate systems in AutoCAD. There are three coordinate systems of AutoCAD. First is absolute coordinate system, second is relative coordinate system, and third is polar coordinate system. First of all, we will see absolute coordinate system. In absolute coordinate system uses the Cartesian system to specify a position in the x, y and z axis to locate a point from 0 point. To locate a point using the absolute coordinate system, type the x value, y value and if needed the z value separated by commas. We will see this in software. See, first of all, take a line command, then give the coordinates of x and y. 0, 0, enter. Then give the value of x and y for next point. X 50, y 0, enter. Again give the value 0, 40, enter. Again x minus 40, y 0, enter. Now x 0, y minus 40. Next, relative coordinate system. After first point entered, your next point can be entered by specifying the next coordinate. Compare a relative from the first point. The relative coordinates started with symbol at. Tell AutoCAD it was a relative coordinates. Using relative coordinate points entered by typing at the rate x, y, enter. As we see in the absolute coordinate system, for using relative coordinate system, we have to enter first at the rate symbol and then x and y value and enter. Third is polar coordinate system, relative polar coordinate system. Polar coordinates used when we need to draw the next point at specific angle. Polar coordinate system in AutoCAD specifies distance, length at which angle. Using polar coordinates, point entered by typing at the rate distance less than angle, enter. Okay.